that's better. Welcome. It was Mom's birthday last week, and it occurred to me that it might be a good idea to take some video of the boat and show Mom what the boat's like, and all the rest of you too. So, if you want to come along with me, I'm going to show you what a day on the boat's like. Or a couple of days. I'm going to take this camera around with me for the next couple of days and just shooting video. I won't be the primary subject, because I'll be behind the camera most of the time, but at least you'll be able to see what life on the boat's like a little bit. And that said, come along, let's get started. Okay. Let's start with my stateroom. Welcome to 03494 Lima. Well, this is Brett, one of my roommates. How you doing? Happy birthday. Let's see. Brett is from New York, from like Syracuse. What part of New York are you from?
Saratoga.
Saratoga. Oh,
Saratoga.
First letter. There's 4 of us in this room. Actually, looks like another one just walked in. Can't see him back there. As you can see, it's not a real large space. I got this on extreme wide angle too, just to give you an idea. This is like almost fisheye. Oh, there's Audrey. I'm sort of in love with Audrey. She was a very, very fine lady. Wow. To the sleeping arrangements. This is our common area. We did a little bit of work. We put some carpet in. We got a stereo. Trying to make things a little more comfortable. Let's go back and look at the sleeping arrangement. There's Jay's rack. Just what you'd expect. There's Jay's reading chair. Pretty comfy little area back there. That's what the sleeping arrangement is like. This thing right here, you see my rack? See what's right above my rack there? That big thing there? That is the catapult. This part right here, see my hand? That's real hot. That's, like if I left my hand there, it would burn me and I gotta sleep right there. Doesn't that look comfortable? Alright, let's go explore some more of the rest of the boat. Bye guys.
Bye, dude. Bye. Well, see, I don't accept you.
There. This is the ready room. Welcome to the ready room. That's Drew. Remember we saw how messy his rack and desk are?
Hey, question.
What? No comment?
You know, you gotta go and do it free play.
Now, this is the
Whose camera?
Tracy's. The famed ready room. I'm just showing the folks back home what life on the boat's like a little bit. These are some of our AWs. Petty Officer Freeze. That's Chief Min. He runs the ASW module. This is Petty Officer Travis. He's the clown of the group. This is the SDO station.
When do we got a free
This is the guy that really runs the show.
It's ready to go now. Day shift turnaround on.
Good. This is my hack today. We're standing alert, as I'll show you in a minute, from the board up here. This is how you can't really see that very well, can you? This is how we figure out what's going on every day. As you see, that's my name there, and it says Alert 30, plane guard, which means basically that I get to sit around all day with a pre-flighted aircraft, waiting for something bad to happen. Aircraft status board. Well, it sounds like I got to go up in pre-flight. I'll take the camera with me. You can get this on every television on the ship. You can tune in this channel. Bolter, bolter, bolter. This is Lieutenant Commander Matt Sturgis, our operations officer.
Hey, I flew with Jay yesterday and did a great job.
Oh, you're not telling him how I scared the shit out of you, huh?
No, I won't tell him that.
All right, thanks a lot, sir. Gotta watch out for each other's reputations, you know.
We're taking pictures of the boat. It's kind of like taking pictures of a longer pole.
Oh, come on, say that.
I'm not into philosophy these days. I said was taking pictures of the boat, so like taking pictures of a longer pole. You can't smell it. It doesn't matter.
Bomber engineer.
A6 intruder. Actually, all this action you're looking at in the plant, that's all happening directly above my head. Just through that ceiling right there.
Probably do that covertly, the boss will probably shit on you.
Yeah, you probably. Okay, what I'm doing today is I'm on alert 30, which basically means my job is to have a crew briefed and an airplane pre-flighted and be ready to take off and go rescue anybody if something bad happens. So I'm up on the flight deck and I've just pre-flighted this aircraft that you're looking at right there, 618. And I'm going to hang out here and shoot some video of the next launch and recovery site. We have 8 helicopters on the aircraft carrier, and we usually keep 4 or 5 of them up on the flight deck up here, and then we've got a hangar bay down below that I'll show you, where we keep another 3 or 4 of them. That's where we launch from, right out there. These are called the angle spots. As you can see, they're on the angled flight deck, which is where the airplanes land. That's the rear end of the ship that we're looking at right there. You can sort of see the wake out behind us there. Planes come in and they try to catch these arresting wires that I'm focusing down to right now. There's 4 wires, and a good landing is when they catch the 3 wire. Let's see. There's number 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wire, 4 wire. Now if you'll notice, all activity down there, we're in between what they call cycles here right now. Those planes on the very back, what we're doing is we're turning things around, and all these guys are running around doing a little bit of last-minute maintenance on all the airplanes, so that the airplanes can take off here in a few more minutes. They'll start lining them up to take off, and they'll do another mission, and then come back, and we'll have another landing cycle. See how those guys, that airplane just landed a couple of minutes ago, and so they've got just a few minutes for those guys to run in and fix whatever got broken on that flight. So the plane can take off again. We've got about 90 airplanes on the boat right now. Just trying to show you a little bit of the activity that's going on up here. This place is an incredible beehive of activity, don't you think? Basically, I am standing right next to the bridge in this little lanai here. That right there is the This is an H-46 coming in right here. I haven't really got the chance to show you what a 60 looks like. Dave, otherwise known as Coco. He's the guy I'm going to Jamaica with.
Jamaica Brown, baby.
Say hi.
Hello.
He's normally very grumpy, but when he found out he was, ever since we decided to go to Jamaica, he's been all giggles.
You guys taking that to Jamaica?
Actually doing work. This is Paulie, who you've heard so much about. Paulie, give us a little bit of that accent there.
You guys think they've been to Jamaica? That's definitely.
Oh, no way, no evidence. There will be no evidence from Jamaica.
Hey, get a load of this body.
You don't have to have any tape in there.
Huh?
You just gotta tell where.
Dave's losing weight. Dave's made a big project out of losing some weight.
Hey, get a load of these bodies.
Check it out. Oh, yeah, he's going to be the stud on the beach. All right, chow time?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Chow. All right. Sorry about this that last bit where the batteries died. Brad Mac. Thanks, Brad. Okay, this is the chow hall, which also you've heard so much about. This is about exactly what you'd expect it to be like.
If you know they're down here, we need them out here for the meal. Why don't you say something?
Cafe style stuff. Howdy. Video from home, showing them our delightful food. We got fried chicken tonight, mashed potatoes, gravy, beans. Looks pretty good. All right, thanks. That's Sean again, giving us his illustrious smile. Okay, this stuff right here is here all day, 24 hours a day. You can choose between these salads and nachos and spaghetti and that sort of thing, so you don't always have to eat at the appropriate dinner type hours. Hot dogs. You wouldn't believe how many of these hot dogs I eat.
You must really be bored.
No, it's just mom and dad have never seen what this place is like. And of course, eating's a big part of your life.
I didn't know that.
Go toward the HS6 tables here. All right, these are our guys. Oh, this man here is the guy you've heard so much about, the very cruel, mean, and nasty Commander Owlsley, skipper of HS6. Say hi, sir. Yeah, see, I told you how mean he was. And my boss, Commander Norton, also, oh, actually a decent guy since he's smiling today. And I'm not in big trouble anyway. Video from home, folks. Say hi, Steve Hendricks, our intel officer. Anyway, that's enough of the food thing. This is the parachute rigger's shop. This is where they take care of all of our gear for flight. There we go. Chief Blancas.
How you doing?
Chief? Good. This is AE1 Armor. AE1 Armor is my LPO. How you doing, AE1?
How you doing, sir?
Good. Jardine, one of our most important maintenance guys. This is the HS6 line shack. This is my shop. When I go in here, watch the reaction of these guys. They love me. They love when I come in. These guys love me. Watch the reaction when I walk in here. That wasn't actually the plan. They were supposed to be like, oh shit, not you again. Okay, hi moms from everybody. Hi mom. All right, these are all my guys. This is Indian Line Shack. We've turned it into the best shack, best shop in the squad. That's my chief, Chief Mayo. This is Airman Manley. Airman Manley, you got something to say for the folks back home? He's a petty officer. Started out as an airman, does a real good job. Airman Benjamin, he just finished writing a 1,000-word essay for the XO. That's our idea of punishment around here. Anyway, this is what it's like down here. It's better to be on the beach. That's Airman Claremont, or Petty Officer Claremont there. Did I say Airman? Sorry about that. Yeah. I knew there was a problem. These are the chiefs. They're laughing at me. I'm trying to take their picture without a lens cap. Chief Key, Chief Hancock, their AW chiefs. Chief Mayo, he works as the line division chief. Senior Chief Sergeant, he's a maintenance control guy. He's the guy that makes maintenance work. Now we're looking at Chief Sodomingo, who also works maintenance, and the Master Chief, the guy with all the experience in maintenance. This is a place called Maintenance Control. This is where they make all the decisions of what to fix when. Anyway. It's looking at Lieutenant Tracy Kreckman now. Tracy's the guy who owns this camera and made all this possible. A big thanks to Tracy. Hi, Mom.
For creating the terror.
Hi, Mom. Say hi, Mom, Tracy.
Hi, Mom.
Okay. This is a place like I want to be alone a little bit, a little privacy. This is called the forecastle. This is forecastle is a abbreviation, a Navy sort of an abbreviation of the word forecastle, which is the place where the anchor is stored and let out from. These enormous chains, about 300 pounds for each link. And they require these enormous, I don't know what you call them, gizmos to reel them in. Thought I'd show you what the berthing looks like. This is where our guys live. Hey guys, pictures from Mom. Say hi, Mom. Thanks. This is where the guys live.
This is what we do in our spare time.
Oh yeah, these guys have it easy.
This is the
They
spare
work for
time.
their 8 hours a day and then they play cards all night. Could be worse. Watch TV. Hey, everybody Stapleton, come talk to me when you get a chance, okay? Basically, this is the hangar bay. Amazing when you get all these aircraft in here. This is an E2 Hawkeye. It's like the AWACS. You'll notice the see the big radar dome up top. These guys have a real good picture of what's going on hundreds of miles around when they're flying. Of course, you know what this is. It's an FA-18 fighter bomber. That's our newest airplane. It's all electronic, real Star Wars type technology. No, it doesn't, but there's room for my head there, does it? Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Look, they're both straight up and down. The F-14 is strictly a fighter, what we call an interceptor. Its job is to go out and kill aircraft that are a long ways away. It's real fast and has missiles that can kill airplanes far away. That's an F-14 you're looking at. Okay, our tour continues with a tour of the mess decks. Starting off with the officer's mess. A little lounge here before the actual mess area. Sit there and watch big screen TV, as you can see. It's like Star Wars playing. The place is deserted right now. Everybody must be working hard. Red. This is where we come to eat when we have nicer dinners. Official type functions. I know it doesn't look much better, does it? We try to avoid this place whenever we can. You know, if they sit down here and they serve you. You much prefer what we call the dirty shirt wardroom, which is what I showed you before. Probably 95% of our meals we eat in the dirty shirt wardroom. This is where all enlisted guys are going to eat. Yeah. Amazing if you figure this ship has to serve 20,000 meals a day. Imagine the vastness of that. Cook machines and video games over there. This is the line for the ship's stores, which you're looking at here. And you're only seeing part of it because most of it's downstairs. Still in the mess decks. And this goes on forever. It runs the entire length of the ship. We're in between meals right now, so these are kind of dead down here. You would believe what it's like during mealtime. Nautilus weight room. Howdy, gentlemen. This is it. This is about all the workout facilities we got on the boat. Kind of a drag, huh? You gotta wait in line for everything. But you get used to waiting in line. Who was looking for me? Why? Alright, I'll call. Call you again. This is a guy you haven't met yet. This is Mike Cruden. This guy's a surfer dude. He's teaching me how to surf. I'm teaching him how to ski in return. Actually, he's not a bad skier. Well, he's from a very proper upbringing. This charming gentleman right here is Lieutenant Paul Corliss. Paul is from New England, and this is Droopy, who you've heard so much about, Lieutenant Dave Dilovitz. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Droopy's SDO, so of course he's not happy. All right. What we're doing here is we're observing a day on duty. This is Paulie. Paulie is
Paulie, say hi to
SDO,
Mom.
Squadron Duty Officer. He's entertaining us all with his stressful antics on this stressful day. Oh, and by the way, this is the XO, Commander McDonald. He's just as mean as the skipper. In fact, probably a little bit meaner, as you could probably tell. You've heard all about him.
I'll do it with a smile on my face.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Anyway.
You guys actually gonna
Samuel Beebe would go.
like more cash from out here. 18, 19.
Hey, easy day tomorrow, just one flight.
Paulie's not having a fun day. If you look at the schedule here, everything that's purple is the way the day started out scheduled. Everything that's red is a change on the day's schedule. Paulie's now been on watch for 9 hours.
And they said after the next recovery.
Pass forward. I need you to call in.
Yes.
He took over the watch.
For an
So,
18, 15,
When that
break, please.
30-minute time he stops.
He took over the watch from me. I was on duty.
Does it
all
surprise
night.
you?
So that's how they announced it.
We've been flying around the clock for 3 days now. Everybody's a little bit ragged here. Oh, and by the way, this is my hack tonight, Commander Sugars, who you've also heard so much about. Commander Sugars, say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Thanks. And that's Dave Rose. Dave.
Hi. You gonna keep 3 planes flying all night? That's my next question.
Well, put me on the schedule.
These guys, remember, the strike got canceled.
Sir, well, they're watching that third aircraft now. What do you think? You're gonna keep all 3 of them flying and bring them back?
Till the end of flight
I
out.
think within 2 hours
They'll bring them back.
that Kilo's only going to helicopter fly.
I think what's going to end up happening is 611 is going to land at 2030, right? Which is when the launch is going to land. If you land them at 2030, 611 will probably be a shutdown.
I hope so.
That's what I suggested. You got 11 going, so just keep 11 out there with Muxlung or 16 going. Keep it out there until the end when it's supposed to. You're gonna hop. We're both gonna need a hot pump though.
See, on the boat, the entire flight schedule gets driven by the SDO. He has to constantly be making all these changes. All those red things, every single red mark on that board represents a decision that Paulie meticulously made during the
What did he say
day.
about people from Florida?
Thank you. He said people that use
And now he's sweating over what crews to put into what flights.
Florida and they're weird. He said.
I got a blue one on mine.
See.
And of course, the ship's not helping things there because the ship is
So
constantly
that just
changing.
goes to show the people who use the blue lens caps are weird and from Florida.
Of course, I've also got a flashlight with a red one, and I've got a flashlight without one.
Oh, you know what? I got your blue one.
So, you know, a lot of people from
You got
Florida
my blue one.
Says
flashlight
JS on the
fetishes.
logo.
Where did you? How did you get my blue
They
one?
gave it to me.
Oh, here comes the eraser.
Oh, you have 3 flashlights for me.
I've gotten a new one every squadron I've gone to.
Still need another alert.
So I want my flashlight back.
Vic said he wanted standing word. I heard it.
Yeah.
No, Vic doesn't want to stand the alert. If it's already on the alert.
Of course, everybody has their suggestions to offer.
Vic wants to fly. Hey, fly. Vic wants to
Being on
fly.
duty is a nightmare because
Hey, you
you
know
have
what's
to
gonna happen
continually
for- hey, you know what's
coordinate
gonna
with
happen, Paul?
maintenance
He
and
has to
ship,
have to launch anyway.
find out which birds are flyable, which ones broke during the
Okay,
day.
good language for the.
Constantly
So,
shuffling
hey,
the flight
good
schedule.
language
This
for
is
the
Vic
camera there,
on
bud.
Charleston, North
That
Carolina.
shows bench until Seesaw, man.
Okay, well then who's gonna launch it? Because we can call the alert 30.
You're gonna get away with closing on. There is no alert right now. All my alerts are flying. Everything's in the air.
Well,
There's no more alert.
we're supposed to be landing and taking off here pretty soon, so I'm gonna mosey up there.
I thought so.
Just want to clarify it. Well, I don't know.
Hey, Paulie,
Yeah.
is that your unscrew out of the overhead look?
I'm still.
She's unwinding. He's
It
unwinding.
says JS0680.
He's a whiner.
You know, you have, you know, those sausage.
Yeah, it says 068 mine, and then it's described hot.
Paulie's built up a
Well,
little
that's
bit of
because they put
nervous
it in
energy
your
over
vest, so
the
they
course
decided
of
to
the
give it
day.
to you. But
He's
see,
been dreading this duty for 3 days
that's
now.
068. You know, all this stuff is mine. Yeah, they took.
Made me decide to start filming.
Here's my wrist.
And of course, the XO and the skipper just sit over there during the duty and make it rougher. You got it.
Sierra 11 Alpha. Now, which codes are we using for this one? Sierra 11 Alpha.
I thought it would be a good idea to show you a few minutes of what the duty's like here, and this goes on for 24 hours.
I've had 3 or 4 different.
All of us dread being duty
What
officers.
they say? What they say?
Right now, I'm standing by for a, let's see,
DF equipment, OTPI.
Okay.
I'm standing by for a 4.5 hour ASW hop. Morning.
This was current as of
Alright, I'm gonna take a camera on my flight today.
and if you're without, I don't even think
I'm flying with
area.
Commander Sugars this morning.
900.
This is Commander Sugars.
We can afford.
We're all pretty much thrashed. We've been flying around the clock for 4 days now. This is my crew.
I got it there. I can-
Detweiler, President Travis.
Rob Crazy for taking my place.
And the next shot should be
Sign out.
flight deck.
It's lighter. Yeah, I
This
can ride
is
it.
Lieutenant Brian Caruso. Hi, Mom, Brian.
Yep, got it. You know, like
Brian's from Chicago.
I fucking go to shit out of it.
This is about 3 days out of date. I know it's kind of hard to read, but I've already got 40 hours this month, and that was 4 days ago before I flew all these heavy hours. That's February's. Yeah, we're getting ready to take off here. You might want to turn your volume down.
Helo's already off, but I should be able to watch that on the phone. Yep, time to go do the paperwork and take a nap for my next flight in a few hours. For an SDO brief.
Hop up Tech 8, I'll get your camera. This is where you are, 611, set them up slow. 1830, shut down. And you're 3.8. If you can get some gas into Ingram, great. If not, it might be,
I'll take 5 over.
it doesn't have an external.
I'll take 42 anyway.
You take 45 or so.
Oh, this is external.
So that's the kicker here, 3.8. And take as much as you can. Maybe you can get a squirt off the Ingram,
Where's the Ingram?
100 miles away.
We can do our mission. We'll look at the gas.
So how can we go to the Ingram for a plane guard? They're 100 miles away.
Yeah, you're doing the plane guarding next time. The other catch is 1800. There's a launch recovery cycle. Nighttime is about 1808, so we need 2 planes to starboard date at that point to do the plane guard requirement.
Well, I'm primary topic off, right?
No, skipper is.
Honey, I'm
Skipper's primary plane guard. You are secondary plane guard.
What are you telling me? You're telling me to
Telling
go away until 1800.
Yeah, you can go play ASW until basically 1800 and you need to be starboard down. For the launch recovery.
We can do 3.8. We need gas.
I can't get it on the Ingram. Okay, you can come
Yeah,
back here
but
and
you
get
have
rid
to
of it.
fly 100 miles.
Would you coordinate with
Ingram that we run in sure with GPS.
Hi guys. As you can see by now, I'm not much of a cameraman. Filmmaking is just not my specialty. No distractions from the gallery, please. Basically, I started out trying to give you an idea of what life was like on the ship. I think we did that pretty well. Didn't really go exactly as I planned. Things were real busy. We've been flying around the clock. Everybody's pretty strung up and we're done now. I just got a good piece of news. I'm going home 2 days early, which is great. Tomorrow morning I go home, so I'll have to wrap this thing up and make some copies. I'll make a copy for Mom and Gary. I love you guys. Happy birthday, Mom. Show them around. Do whatever you want with Mom and Gary. But hopefully this gives you an idea what the boat, what riding is like on the boat. And, I'll see you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye.